A is for apple. Apple. B is for bread. 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 C is for cake. Cake. D is for dumpling. Dumpling. E is for egg. Egg. F is for fish. Fish. G is for grapes. Grapes. H is for honey. Honey. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jam. Jam. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. L is for lemon. Lemon. M is for mango. Mango. N is for nuts. Nuts. O is for orange. Orange. P is for pizza. Pizza. Q is for quinoa. Quinoa. R is for rice. Rice. S is for soup. Soup. T is for tomato. Tomato. U is for udon. Udon. V is for vanilla. Vanilla. W is for watermelon. Watermelon. X is for sequa. Sequa. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Z is for zucchini. Zucchini.